necessarily negatives. The rules don't necessarily apply like you are saying they do. All righty, children's. Chitlins. Multiplying matrices, right? Any variables, operations, multiplying. That's what we're on, right? Does that sound right to everybody? Yeah. Okay, good. What numbers did we do? 2 through 28. Number 2, undefined. Number 4 is the 2 by 2 matrix, negative 14, 2, negative 32, 41. Excuse me. Number 6 is a 1 by 2 matrix, negative 30, 50. Number 8 is undefined. Number 10 is the 2 by 3 matrix, 26, 14, negative 31, negative 22, negative 9, negative 9. Number 12A would be the matrix, the 1 by 3 matrix, 165, 110, 239 times the 3 by 2 matrix, 35, 28, 32, 17, 18, 12. 12B is $22,955. Number 14 is yes. X times y times z equals 431, 295, 490, 242, and x times y times z is 400, same thing, same, right? Great. Number 16. What did we go through, 28? Yeah. Okay. Number 16 is a 5 by 5. Number 18 is a 2 by 3. Don't you hate that whenever like a sneeze is partly there and then it just like goes away? So annoying. Anyway, number 20 is a 5 by 4. Number 22 is a 2 by 2 matrix, 12, negative 42, negative 6, 21. 24 is 2 by 2 matrix, negative 6, 3, 44, negative 19. 26 is a 2 by 1 matrix, negative 70, 58. 28 is a 2 by 2 matrix, 12, 4, negative 24, negative 8. What questions do we have from that lesson? 14. Sounds great. Okay, so 14. I'm going to use those things to determine whether the following equations are true for the given matrices. Okay, so we're supposed to see if, because order matters, right? When we're multiplying matrices, is one of the things that we've learned, theoretically. Is x times y times z the same as x times y times z? The only way to test that is to just do it, right? We are told that x is the matrix negative 10, negative 3, 2, negative 8, and y is the matrix negative 5, 6, negative 1, 9, and z is the matrix negative 5, negative 1, negative 8, negative 4. Great. So, multiplying y times z first. Right? So we will put it in that direction. Negative 5, 6, negative 1, 9 times negative 5, negative 1, negative 8, negative 4. So what should we do? Yeah, how?
Negative 5 times negative 5.
Yeah, roll by column. Negative 5 times negative 5 is in fact the first thing that will happen. What is negative 5 times negative 5?
25.
25. And then what do we do? Are we adding or are we subtracting? What are we doing? Multiplying? Adding. So plus 6 times negative 8.
48.
No, it's, yeah, negative 48. True enough. All right, now what?
Now you add them together.
And we'll deal with that in a minute.
Now we do the second row by the second column.
No, we're not there yet. We're not done with the first row because we haven't hit all of these, right? First row, second column. So negative 5 times negative 1 is what?
5.
5. Plus 6 times negative 24. Dude, don't stay in the middle of what I'm saying. I will ask the questions. Y'all will answer the questions. Here we go. 6 times negative 4 is what?
Negative 24.
Thank you. Grand, glorious. You see how my mouth worked correctly that time? Now what? Yeah. These are 1 by these 1. Negative 1 times negative 5 is what? 5. And then 9 times negative 8 is what? Negative 72. Great. You don't have to use different colors on this, but I will tell you right now, it is in fact easier to keep track of what you've done if you do. Negative 1 times negative 1. 1. 9 times negative 4. Negative 32. Now we do the addition, and then we're done with this one. We'll see from there.
Negative 36. 8 times.
Yeah. What is it? What are we doing? This times this is 30. What are we doing? Negative 1. Where are we at? This and this and this and where are we even? Red. Yes, it is. What's 25 minus 48? Negative 23. What is 5 plus negative 72? I don't think it's negative 6. Negative 67. What's 5 plus negative 24? Negative 19 sounds accurate. Is this matrices? Yes, multiplying matrices to be more specific. Negative 19. And then negative 35. Then we got to multiply that times x, right? Negative 8. Same, right? Okay. This one times this one. What's negative 10 times negative 23? Positive 230. It's true enough. And then negative 3 times negative 67. It's okay, I'll wait. 201. I don't know why we're all waiting for Stephen again. You have calculators. I see them. I see it. I see them. What?
He does it good.
He does it great. However, sometimes he makes mistakes just like everybody does, and if you'll check it, then we'll know where the mistakes were, and then we'll get to like figure things out. Great, grand, glorious. This one times this one. So negative 10 times negative 19. That one you don't need no thinking calculator for. 190, that's true enough. And then negative 3 times negative 35. All right. This one times this one. What's 2 times negative 23? Negative 46.
I can agree to that.
You can. All right. Negative 8 times negative 67 is what?
536. Fastest calculating in the West.
Easy money. And then again, this one times this one. 2 times negative 19. Negative 38. That one he did it in his head. 2 times 10 is 20 plus 18 is 38. Did you do it in your head? Yeah. See, I'm right. Negative 8 times negative 35.
280.
He was ready. You don't have to be so happy, Bella. Calm down.
Oh.
So this one, 230 plus 201. 431. Whoa, you also did it in your head? That's crazy. 190 plus 105. 295. And then negative 46 plus 536. 490. Negative 38 plus 280.
242.
And then we have to do that same thing again, but in that order. Did you make a mistake somewhere probably or something?
Okay, so the answer is no because order matters.
The answer is yes, because you're gonna get the same thing.
Wait.
I know, that's the most safe thing, is the 280.
Oh, you had, yeah, the 280 was, yeah. These, on stuff like this is not hard. This is one of the reasons why I recommend different colors and all the things, is because this is not difficult, but it is also very easy to make a tiny little mistake.
I made it negative.
Yeah, I mean, like it's easy. So slow down enough to not make the mistakes. That's one of the things that the changing colors helps you do, is it helps you slow down ever so slightly. It also keeps you organized. So you don't have to do it. I'm not gonna count off if you don't do it,
You should count.
But you should do it.
but it will help you not make as many careless mistakes. What other questions from this lesson? Oh, eyeball.
We do 10.
Sure.
I was literally just about to say, why did you say?
All right.
It looks-
10 buddies. It
Okay.
looks scary.
I think I made an error.
You made a boo-boo.
Positive and negative somewhere along the line.
That's plausible.
No.
Watch those negatives. They like to cause issues.
That's a great advice, Mr. Sean.
Thank you. The nice thing now that we're doing matrices, and you're going to learn Kramer's rule in the next chunk, is when you're doing this, at least, if you're solving a 3x3 system with elimination, If you make a tiny mistake early on, then your life is ruined for the rest and just like falls apart forever. But nice thing about doing this with matrices is you can make one little mistake and then you can still get the rest right. Yay. Better than nothing.
Yay.
All right, what now?
You label them with their,
Row by column.
label them with their row by column.
Row by column, great. First row, first column. Is that kid that's in that Grace class? Only saw the back of her head. I think it is. I didn't know she was in a science class. All right, -4 times 2.
-8.
Wow. He didn't need no thinking calculator. 3 times 8.
24.
24 oceans, 24 skies. What's 2 times 5?
10.
Wow, big fat hen. Great, we did it. Look, Mom,
Yahoo.
are you proud of me now? Wait. Did I copy this down right?
Mm-hmm. See, even you're a little confused by it.
They're doable.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, that's fine. Okay, that's all right. Brain is half broken for a second. I'm back. -4 times 1.
-4.
True enough. 3 times 4.
12.
2 times 3.
6.
Great, we did it.
We're using your blue. Yay.
-4 times 6.
-24.
-24.
I was gonna get there eventually.
3 times -1.
-3.
-3. Two times -2.
-4.
Also -4. True to be. Okay,
This one is looking fun so far.
so fun.
So far.
-1 times 2.
-2.
-2. -5 times 8.
-40.
4 times 5.
20. You hear that Toys R Us is back?
They've always been back. They've just been inside of Kohl's. But yes, I did hear that Lubbock has a Toys R Us open in the mall.
Yeah.
It probably is still as crappy as it was in the later years of its existence. So I remember when Toys R Us was awesome.
I'm still gonna go because it sounds great.
Great. You're going to be a Toys R Us kid. Okay. -1 times 1.
Is -1.
-5 times 4.
-20.
4 times 3. Oh, you jumped the gun too early. Calm down.
That means what?
You don't have to question your existence. You just have to wait a second. -1 times 6.
-6.
-5 times -1.
Positive 5.
4 times -2.
-8.
Great.
Oh, plus -8.
It's always plus, right? All right, so -8 plus 24 plus 10. It is 26. True enough. -4 plus 12 plus 6. It is 14. -24 plus -3 plus -4.
-31.
Negative 31.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Okay. Negative 2 plus negative 40 plus 20.
22.
Negative 22. Negative 1 plus negative 20 plus 12. Negative 6 plus 5 plus negative 8. We did it.
Oh, okay. I see my mistake.
Good. Good, good, good.
Wouldn't it be plus negative 40? Or no?
Yes, I forgot to write down the plus. You are correct.
Okay.
That's why I was a bit confused.
Yeah, I was like, oh.
Adding a
that's
negative is the same thing as subtracting, so it kind of worked out fine, but
It
yes.
worked out fine. I was confused.
But yes, 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 yes.
This
I
is
make the other 9 positive. It's okay, guys.
do we find the dimensions of the answer by the row of the first one and then the column of the second one?
Yes. The dimensions are the outside. Inside is whether it works. The final dimensions are the outside.
These are easy now.
Yes.
The key is wrong on answer 4.
You think that the key is wrong on it? You're asking me to do that other chunk on 14.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, bruh. I think you just made another mistake, but we'll do it anyway. It's fine. We got plenty of time today.
Wait, what are we doing?
The rest of 14. Because Steven.
Oh, the rest we didn't finish it. Okay,
No.
Yeah, there we go.
All right, so the other half is x times y. So x is negative 10, negative 3, 2, and negative 8 times
Negative 5, 6, negative 1,
5, 6, 9. Grand.
I'm glorious.
So these one times these one. Positive 50 plus 3. And then these a one times that a one is negative 60 plus negative 27. Not 21 or 41. Either one of those, but 27. It's okay, Brody.
7, 6, 7.
No, I said 41.
Oh. 41.
Yeah, I did it already. You don't have to do it too. Calmate. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 plus positive 8. Oh, I forgot to write the other blue thing. Would you follow it? I felt it. 2 times 6 is 12. What am I writing? Plus negative 72. How we doing? You made a mistake yet? Okay, so far so good. Okay. So far, you're right.
Yay, Steven.
Oh, we'll find a mistake. No, I'm just kidding. Negative 87, negative 2, and negative 60.
Maybe he didn't make a mistake. Maybe
This, we're supposed to multiply now times the z.
The Z.
Yep. We went across the pond for a bit. Negative 5. That is not and never will be helpful. I am saying that specifically not because I'm upset, because I'm not, especially since you were trying to help, but it is not helpful. So thank you, but I got this. I do appreciate the attempt
I don't even know what
at
he did.
assist. He didn't do anything wrong. He was just reading it out for me, but
Oh,
But when the problem is my brain is too squirrel for that. So
I was singing it out.
well, okay, sure, fine, you're singing it out, but it's still not helpful. I do appreciate the attempt to be helpful. It just gets my brain lost instead of found. 53 times negative 5. Negative 265 plus positive 640 plus 56, 696. Is that sounding right to everybody? Punch it in. 87 times 8.
696.
Oh, uh-oh. You found it.
No,
Not yet? Okay.
wait.
Wait. Hold up.
You gotta think
Oh,
about
I did it the wrong way.
Oh, no.
I did the other
It's what?
It is 696.
Okay. Thrice confirmed.
I did do it wrong.
Wow,
It's
bruh.
okay, Steve.
That's all right. We've gone too far to not finish. What am I doing? No, I'm doing it right. What am I doing?
You're doing
53 times negative 1. Negative 53. Wow. Negative 87 times negative 4.
348.
now there's a competition.
It's a competition. It's not just competition. It's war.
Yeah, but it's gonna be, but it's war.
Warfare.
It's war.
War.
Good luck. Okay. Negative 2 times negative 5, positive 10. Negative 60 times negative 8 is positive
48.
Positive 0, what'd you say?
I said 4 and 0.
Oh, that makes sense.
I'm gonna mess up if I can't say it correctly.
I see. Wop, 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 wop. Still not helpful. Before I've asked the question. Negative 60 times negative 4, positive. Definitely not. Positive, not that.
Wait.
How about 240?
Yes. I accidentally put 90 instead of 60. Oh no. I might
Negative 265 plus 696. That's convenient. That's headable because these are all less than these. 4, 3, 1. Negative 53 plus 348. 295. Oops, not 4 anything. Oh yeah, it is 490. What am I saying?
Oh, no.
And 242.
Is that the same from the other question?
Yep, it is.
Oh, that means me and him are in the same boat. We both messed up.
Made a mistake somewhere, but maybe you found it this time. Did you find your mistake?
The other way.
Oh, you didn't. Yeah. Yes. So this order matters. Yes. All right. What other questions from this lesson do we have?
Could I do 4?
Number 4. Sure.
This one should be fun.
I'm scared.
Why? It's a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 2. Why are you scared?
Because I'm still scared.
Okay. Because it's matrices.
I like matrices.
No,
I like big matrices and I cannot lie.
I scared because
Them other numbers can't deny.
I scared because it's math.
Mr. Sean, you should write that in a song.
I think I just did, bruh.
Yeah.
I don't like math.
Songs to remember.
You need to get your work turned in on the online, girlfriend. That would be a good idea. Then you might like math more. Wah, 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 wah. Here we go. What is that? I don't know.
Well,
Hangman. Oh, okay.
we're gonna
Just
play
kidding.
Hangman?
I don't know.
We're gonna
That's
play
what happened.
Hangman?
Great. Anyway, yeah. 5. No. 10. Okay. Great. Negative 12 plus negative 2. 6 plus negative 4. Negative whatever that is, 42. Yeah, that's the words. That's what's coming to my brain. Negative 42 plus 10. And then 21 plus positive 20. Did you find your mistake yet? I'm assuming there was just a mistake somewhere. Did you find it yet? Good. Good job. Negative 14 to negative 32.41. Was it an arithmetic mistake or like there, or is there something you're not understanding?
No, that's a mistake.
Just arithmetic mistake. Great. I figured that's why I just kind of like fast forwarded it. I figured that was what had happened. Any other questions for this lesson?
We do number 1.
Why don't we do a quiz? Okay. Ready to go.
1359. You should know that.
Why? Because it's cool. That's crazy. It's not cool. It's just big. But it is kind of cool because you take this massive matrix and multiply it to this other massive matrix, and you just end up with a 2 by 2. So I guess that is kind of cool. I feel like we're missing somebody other than Gina today, but I don't know who it would be, so maybe not. I don't know.